you know, in unprecedented times, how do you coexist with all the calamity and chaos around you? Especially in this country, child. They're trying to break us up. They're trying to break up the bond that we have. You and I, Katie, we are locked in. Don't let people think, oh no, she on the opposite side. It's us versus them. No, you're bae. And if you're feeling like, no, that's not true. If you're feeling like, oh, I'm still racist, you haven't been anywhere. Okay, leave the country and then come back. You'll never be so excited to see Jaquan. You'll never be so excited to see Caitlyn. Oh my God. Oh my God. I've never been white, but listen, I've been American in overseas. Even places like Europe, like, why don't they know what a line is? Everybody just cuts each other. Never been so excited to stand behind somebody who I really probably wouldn't care for in real life here in America. At least we're in agreement. We on one accord with a line. You know, stuff like that. So if y'all could just realize how locked in we are as American people, we really could accomplish things. We could stop what's about to happen. They're trying to make us breeders. I don't want to use my uterus.